You guys here to check on the worms with me? Hey boys. Hi Moose. Moose is tired. Wally's just here because I'm here. And obviously Moose is here because, well, he's Moose and he always wants more food because he's a puppy, right Wally? Alright, so this video is going up on a different day because I'm not saying it's because of Moose, but it kind of is. So here's the thing. Today's Wednesday. I'm here with Moose, Wally. And I recorded a video on Monday at like 11 o'clock at night. And it was like the worst. Just the worst. I was so tired because he got his next round of immunizations shots and didn't take so well to them. So we've been up a lot lately. And then, you know, he's a puppy, so he's up every couple hours anyways. So between that and then life and then all the things, I just sound like a nincompoop in that video. So I was like, we're not going to do that. So instead, I figured I would show you guys a little update. The long story short of what you missed is this top tier that we've been feeding. When I opened it up, like it was popping. Like more worms than I've ever seen in there before. Oh my God, look at this sad little puppy. And more worms that I saw, I think, ever, which I was like, yay, they figured out how to get to the bottom, to the top, and obviously there's food there, and I haven't even touched the bottom since we stopped that whole process. I was like, okay, cool. There's a lot of worms. That's good. And then I started looking around, poking around with my little, not spatula, poke forky thing, and I realized that even though there were so many lovely, lovely worms, that they still had a lot of food left. And so this week would have been week number 3 that they would have been getting food. And I felt like there was a lot in there. And truthfully, it was like the stuff that was like nobody's first choice. Like I had carrot peels I saw in there, some, gosh, what was it? Potato peels, I think. And essentially, and like, don't get me wrong, there was also like banana peels and that type of stuff in here too. But I kind of was like, I don't know if I feel comfortable feeding them more. So I put like maybe half a gallon bag in there. Like not like a full size bag by any means, but you know, enough down the middle. I'm just going to back up over here so you can kind of see where it's at. Put some food in there. Not a lot. Covered it with some newly shredded mix. Some paper towels I ripped up. There's some packaging paper, right, Wally? Some of that brown packing paper. Some brown cardboard. There's some, I don't know, random, you know, chill. What is that considered? The carbon, nitrogen, whatever. Some of the stuff to absorb the liquid and cover up the food. So today I want to go ahead and see what it looks like without having given them too much food and see if the population still looks as, I don't know, topical, like up at the top like they were before. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, well, that's unremarkable. Hardly anybody up top, but that's fine. That's fine. There's not always a lot. Oh, Wally's checking them out. Thanks, Wally. You checking them out? How are they looking? Yeah. Okay. They look like they're still there, huh? Okay. Well, I'll let you just keep sniffing away. So I don't see a lot of change, obviously, because it's only been like, 2 days. But I just want to like lately see if I can find anybody. I see a little bit of movement. Yeah, I mean, there's definitely a little bit. I'm just worried that they're going to have so much food in here, it's going to rot, and I don't want to attract any unpleasant bugs. Like, I realize that this is an ecosystem and, like, there's more than just worms in here, but I don't want to have, fruit flies and, I don't know, other bad guys in here. Well, hey, worm, you can't be up there. You have to go in. Thank you. So it's pretty full after I put the shredded cardboard and stuff in there. It's still pretty full. So I'm not planning on putting any more food in. Definitely this week. I don't know about next week. I kind of feel like I might let them just kind of make a bigger dent in here. I don't know. We'll see. We'll play it by ear. We'll see what it looks like next week on Monday. But my apologies on the delay in the video there, but I would rather wait a couple days, get the puppies in the video, some decent lighting, and then you guys have a better understanding of where this is at, because this is really exciting. This is like, what, week 3, I think, in the top tier. So this is a big deal. Like, this is kind of like we're starting over. I did realize after the fact that I probably should have taken some of the compost from the bottom and put it up there to like help jumpstart things, and I might do that later or on the next feeding. I didn't want to mess up our flow. And since it looks like Moose is getting into something he shouldn't, I'm gonna go and we'll get you guys another update soon. Thanks so much.